The MKS unit. Units of length. The SI unit of length is meter, m. The meter was originally established in 1791 by the Paris Academy of Sciences as 1/10,000th of the quarter of the Earth's meridian. This length was represented by the distance between two marks drawn on a platinum iridium bar, which was stored at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures in Sèvres, near Paris, and maintained at a constant temperature to ensure accuracy. All other measures of the meter were calibrated against this bar. Later, in 1960, the meter was redefined as 1,650,763.73 times the wavelength of a specified orange-red spectral line in the emission spectrum of krypton 86. It is also defined as 1 meter is 1,553,164.1 times the wavelength of the red line in the emission spectrum of cadmium. Table 1.5 Common multiples and submultiples of meter. Multiples of meter, equivalent in meters, m, equivalent in centimeters, cm, 1 decameter, dam, 1 hectometer, 1 kilometer, kilometer. Submultiples of meter. Equivalent in meters, m, equivalent in centimeters, cm. 1 decimeter, dm, 1 centimeter, cm, 1 millimeter, mm, 1 micrometer, m, 1 nanometer, nm, 1 picometer, pm. Non-metric units of length. Bigger units. Distances in space are so large that the measurements we use on Earth are not often practical. Following are the units used to measure the distance in space. Astronomical unit, A. You used in astronomy to measure large distances connected with solar studies. 1 astronomical unit is equal to the mean distance between the Sun and the Earth. Light year, Ly. The distance travelled by light in vacuum in 1 year is called 1 light year. 1 light year is equal to speed of light times time 1 year. The distance of stars from Earth is generally expressed in light years. However, its smaller units light minute and light second are also used. Parallactic second, parsec is a unit of length, not time. It is defined as the distance at which the mean radius of the Earth's orbit subtends an angle of 1 second of arc. It is also defined as the distance at which 1 astronomical unit, AU, subtends an angle of 1 second of arc. Radius is equal to arc length upon angle between the radii. Smaller units. To express the wavelength of light, size and separation between two molecules or atoms, radius of orbit of electron, etc. A small size unit called the angstrom, A, is used, while the size of the nucleus is expressed by a still smaller unit called Fermi, F. Planck length. Planck length is the fundamental quantum of length equal to 10 powers 35 meters. It is the distance travelled by light in a time interval of 1 Planck time. The smallest interval of time possible is 10 powers 43 s called the Planck time. Fermi, F1 Fermi or femtometer is equal 10 powers 15 meters. This unit is used to measure nuclear dimensions. 1 Fermi, F, is equal to 10 powers 15 meters angstrom. A 1 angstrom is equal to 10 powers 10 meters, used to measure atomic dimensions. Table 1.6 Smaller and bigger units of length. Unit of mass. In 1889, 1 kilogram was defined as the mass of a cylindrical piece of platinum iridium alloy kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. Kilogram can be defined as when a force of 1 Newton produces an acceleration of 1.00 meter second in a body, then the mass of body is said to be 1 kilogram. For practical purposes, the accurate copies of mass are prepared by comparing it with standard kilogram in Sèvres. Table 1.7 Multiples and submultiples of kilogram. Multiples of kilogram, quantity, equivalent. Quintal, 1 qt, metric ton, 1 t, submultiples of kilogram, quantity equivalent, hectogram, 1 hg, decagram, 1 dag, gram, 1 g, milligram, 1 milligram, microgram, 1 g, non-metric units of mass. Atomic mass unit. The atomic mass unit, U or RMU, is 1 unit for measuring the atomic mass of particles. It is defined as 1/12 of the mass of an 1 carbon-12 atom. This is equal to 1.66053892 times 10 powers 27 kilograms, making it useful for talking about the mass of individual atoms or molecules. The mass of 6.02 times 10 powers 26 atoms of carbon-12 is 12 kilograms. The mass of large heavenly bodies is measured in terms of solar mass, where 1 solar mass is the mass of the Sun. That is, 1 solar mass is equal to 2 times 10 powers 30 kilograms. The commonly used smaller and bigger units of mass are summarized in the following table. Table 1.8 Smaller and bigger units of mass. Units of time. Time refers to the duration between two events. The units of time are described as follows. A. Solar day. A solar day is the time it takes for the Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis. This period varies slightly because of the Earth's elliptical orbit around the Sun. B. Mean solar day. The average of all solar days in which the Earth completes one rotation on its axis is called the mean solar day. One mean solar day is equal to 24 hours is equal to 24 times 60 minutes is equal to 1440 minutes is equal to 1440 times 60 seconds is equal to 86,400 seconds. C. R. An hour represents 1/24th of a mean solar day. Minute. A minute is 1/60th of an hour, or 1/1440th of a mean solar day. Second. A second is 1/60th of a minute, or 1/86,400th of a mean solar day. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 86,400 times 1 mean solar day. Year. The time it takes for Earth to orbit the Sun once is called a year, which is approximately 365.25 days. Decade. A span of 10 years is referred to as a decade. Century. A century consists of 100 years. Millennium. A millennium encompasses 1,000 years. The commonly used bigger units of time are summarized in the following table. Table 1.9 Bigger units of time.